Hey everybody, Karen from Imperfect EFT here. Today's topic for doing EFT in reducing stress is the stress of legal issues. A friend of mine asked me to do a video on legal issues, going to court, any of those type of anxieties. And I don't know about you, but if I have to go to court or have any sort of deposition or any legal issue at all, that makes me very, very anxious and stressed. So I wanted to say hello to everybody and thank you for joining. And I hope that this helps with any legal issues that you may have or court appearances that you have to go to. So we're going to start, as we usually do, by identifying what it is the stressor is. And today we're talking about legal issues. And what is it that you feel when it comes to the stress or anxiety related to these legal issues? Where do you feel it in your body? Do you feel it in your head, in your neck, in your back, any place that you feel it? And what is the sensation that you feel? So those two things you're going to write down. Again, where it is that you feel it and what the sensation is, and then give that sensation a number on a 0 to 10 scale, 10 being the most distressed you feel about this particular issue. So if it's a pain that you feel, say in your neck, how bad is that pain, 0 to 10, and 10 being the worst. So write that down as well. And the reason why you write these things down is so that after the EFT, you can differentiate and see if there was a shift or a change in your numbers and your sensation. So we're going to start as we normally do on the side of the hand, and it doesn't matter which hand you use, your dominant or non-dominant hand. You're going to gently tap on the side of your hand. And you're going to repeat after me, even though I have this stress and anxiety related to my legal issues. And then you're also going to repeat, I accept that's how I feel right now. So now we're going to do that a second time, even though I'm feeling really stressed and anxious about these legal issues. I accept that's how I'm feeling right now. And we're going to do that a third time, even though I'm feeling stressed and nervous about these legal issues. I accept that's how I'm feeling right now. Okay, we're going to go to the eyebrow point, and right between your eyebrows, you just gently tap, and you're going to say the stress related to my legal issues or court appearances. On the side of the eye, right at the bone area, the stress that I'm feeling related to these legal issues. You're going to go under the eye, right at the bone area. The stress that I feel in my body is real. You're going to go under the nose. The stress in my body feels so bad related to these legal issues. On top of the chin, the stress in my body is real. Right underneath the collarbone, you can do one or both. It doesn't matter which side. The stress my body is feeling related to these legal issues. And then under the arm, right around the bra area, you're going to tap one side or both sides, the stress that I'm feeling related to my legal issues. And then on top of the head, the stress that my body is feeling related to these legal issues. Take a deep breath and let it out. So that was one round of tapping, or EFT, the emotional freedom technique. And what I want you to note is where the sensation is in your body, if you are still feeling that sensation. If you are, and the number is still pretty high, I recommend that you repeat that round of tapping, and you can do the same dialogue that we did so that you can relax your stress, and it will help your body to be able to release the tension. And you can do this before any sort of court appearance that you have, or if you have an interaction with a lawyer or anything like that, you can just do a simple tapping beforehand. So we're going to do our next round of tapping, and we're going to try to fully release it from your body. So again, if your sensation is still pretty high, I recommend that you do the first round of tapping as many times as you need to. And we're going to do our last round of tapping right at the eyebrow point again. Just gently tap and say the stress that I feel in my body related to these legal issues. On the side of the eye, it is safe to feel this way, and it is normal to feel this way. under the eye, but I don't want to be stressed about this any longer. Under the nose, and my body is going to be more calm when it comes to my legal issues. On top of the chin, and I'm going to be able to focus better and be more calm related to my legal issues. Right under the clavicles, my body is more calm when I'm thinking about these legal issues. Under the arms, and I am releasing the stress from my body. On top of the head, I am releasing the stress from my body. Take a deep breath and let it go. So this is a really good tool to use before you go for any sort of legal action that you have, whether or not it's related to yourself or your family or anything in particular. You can do it before going to court. You can do it as you're talking to your lawyers, whatever it is that you need to help relax and calm down so that you are not as stressed and your body isn't as anxious. And that will bring your cortisol levels down so that you'll be able to, handle the situation better. So I hope that this helps. And I definitely recommend that if you have any of your friends or family who are going through any legal issues, please share this video with them. I would love for you to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Give me any comments that you have related to any other videos that you feel that you would like, any issues that you have. We can certainly do specific issues. You can message me or put comments in this video. We also have a TikTok channel and we have a Stan store. So I definitely recommend that you guys follow us on this channel and let me know if there's anything else that I can help you with. And I will see you next time. Thank you. I hope that this helps.